In this class we will know the command mirror, which allows you to create mirrors, and the command sweep, which allows you to create solids by scanning 2D or 3D profiles. To begin with, open the model available in the class, and we will learn how to perform geometries mirroring. We activate the command mirror, which allows mirroring operations, keeping the option mirror individual features, selecting the desired features, and choosing the mirror plane, which can be either a face of the model, or one of Inventor's default plans. We can also mirror the entire solid by activating the Mirror Solids option and choosing the mirror plane. By checking this option we remove the original solid, keeping only the mirrored solid. You can also attach the mirrored solid to the existing one, or create a new solid by enabling this option. We configure as shown and confirm mirroring. Alright, now let's look at how to create solids by scanning profiles, starting a new file for creating profile and path sketches. For the path profile, we will create a 3D sketch, so we activate the command Start 3D Sketch. See that we don't need to opt for any plan at this time, and in Origin, we right-click on center point and activate its visibility. Then we activate the line command and, in case the box for inserting precise coordinates is not shown, click Draw and the option shown. Now let's create a U-shaped profile, then click on the center point, type 0 for the X and Y axes and 50 for the Z axis, and press Enter. The next coordinate will be 0 for the X-axis, 80 for the Y-axis, and 0 for Z. For the last coordinate we enter 0 for the X and Y axes, and -50 for the Z axis. We scale the sketch. In this environment, the command fillet is replaced by the command bend, then we activate it, set the radius value to 10 mm and click on the corners that we want to round. We close the sketch, completing this profile. Proceeding, we will create a plan for drawing the profile, clicking on the point and on the line as a reference. Note: we start a 2D sketch in this plane and draw a circle with a diameter of 8 mm. We close the sketch, disable the visibility of the plane and activate the sweep command. Note that the profile is automatically selected, so we select the path to travel and have the preview displayed. We've confirmed the command and look at the solid created. In this class we know the commands mirror and sweep, and we saw how to create 3D sketches, very useful for modeling pieces of greater complexity.